Once again, welcome to all of you. My name is Rakesh, and you are watching my channel Smart Classes. And guys, in our last video, I have put it some standard questions regarding exponent. And today, once again, I am here with some solution of exponent with other patterns. So let's start from here. Here is given square root of 3 power is given x minus 3, and which is equal to 4 root of 3 and power is x plus 1. So how we are going to explain this? Look at here. We can write a square root of 3 in the term of 3 to power 1 by 2, and here is a power multiply x minus 3. Okay, and which is equal to, we can split this term. We can remove a square root, that is in terms of 3 to power 1 by 4, and power is given x plus 1. And also we can write this term as a 3 to power x minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 to power x plus 1 by 4. Now the base is equal, that is both is base having 3, so we can equal the power x minus 3 by 2, which is equal to x plus 1 by 4, and both are equal, so we can diagonally multiply each other, and we can easily multiply 4 times x minus 3, which is equal to 2 times x plus 1, and we can solve this 4x minus 12, which is equal to 2x plus 2, and 2x is replaced in left side, so we can write minus 2x, and here is a 2, and minus 12 is replaced in right side, so we can write here as a plus 12. So from here we can solve 2x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 14 by 2, so the value of x is equal to 7. So the solution of this question is x is equal to 7. Guys, next question is given here 3 by 5 to power 1 minus 2x in the form of square root, which is equal to 417 by 27. This is a mixed fraction is given. So how we are going to solve this? So as you know, the term we are removing the root form, so we can write here as a 3 by 5, and we can write here as a 1 by 2, and already power is multiplied here, that is 1 minus 2x. In the right side we can split into, that is 27 4 ja, that is 108, and 108 is adding with 17 and divided by 27. So we can write here as a 125 by 27. Now once again, the next step we can move ahead 3 by 5, and we can write here as a 1 minus 2x by 2, and here we can write this term in exponent form, so we can write here as a 5 to power q and 3 by 3 to power q. But one thing guys you have to take care about, because 3 by 5 in left side and 5 by 3 is in right side, so you have to convert the same base. So what we will do, from here we can write in next step 3 by 5 and power 1 minus 2x by 2, and here we can write this term as a 5 by 3 to power q, and this can be written as a reciprocal, so we can write here is a 3 by 5, but power should be negative. If any number is having in reciprocal form, so their power sign must be changed. So here is a positive sign, but we reverse the number, automatic the sign of power is changed. So we now from here the base is equal 3 by 5, and here is also 3 by 5. So if base is equal, we can equal the power. So from here next step is 1 minus 2x by 2 is equal to minus 3. And from here we can solve this question. 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 6, And next step, 1 minus 6 is replaced in right side, so we can write here as a 6, and minus 2x replaced in right side, so we can write here as a 2x. So x is equal to 7 by 2. This is the value of x of these questions. Now in my next question, here is a cube root of 4 and having power 2x plus 1 by 2, which is equal to cube root of 8 and having power 5. So we are going to solve these questions. So as you know how we remove this square cube root, so we can write here as a 4 and cube root remove by 1 by 3, and here is a power given 2x plus 1 by 2, and in right side we can also remove just like in left sides, so we can write here as 8 to power 1 by 3, and here 5 is multiplied power. In next step we have to make the base same, so we can write here as a 2 to power square, and it is multiplied by 1 by 3 and 2x plus 1 by 2. In right sides we can write here 2 to power cube, and also power is given 1 by 3 into 5. In next step, 2 to power 2 by 3 and 2x plus 1 by 2, which is equal to, we can cancel here, so we can write here 2 to power 5. So now base is same, so we can write here, we can solve here 2 to power 2 by 3, and we take LCM 2. With the help of LCM we can solve here. Here is 1, so we can write here 2 to the 4x plus 1, and here is 2 to power 5. So guys, now in next step the base is same, so power should be equal, so we can write here 2 by 3 and 4x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. We can multiply here, so we can write here, and 2 is cancelled, so 4x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 5, and 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15, and 4x is equal to 15 minus 1, that is 14, and x is equal to 14 by 4. So we can cancel from here 7 by 2. The value of x is equal to now 7 by 2. So where there is a square root or cube root form, you have to remove as a cube root या square root in the form of exponent. So from there you can solve these questions very easily. And guys, here is another pattern of question is given. Here you have to find the value of x, y and z, and here is a given in question 1176 is equal to 2 to power x into 3 to power y into 7 to power z. So what will be the value of x, y, z? So how to solve these questions? First we have to take LCM of this number 1176 LCMs we can take from here. So we start, because we have to take as a prime number, because 237 is given in right side, so this should be, LCM should be in the form of prime number. So we start from 2, so 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 and 2 8s are 16. Once again we take as a 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. We can again take from 2, and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. So now we have to take, as we take 3, so 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27, so 49. Now it can be taken by 7, so 7 7s are 49. So from LCM what we here getting, that is 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 7 into 7. So this is the total LCM we are getting. So in the term of, we can write 2 to power q, 3 to power 1 and 7 to power 2. And this should be equal to, because this comes from 1176. So we can write here 1176, which is equal to 2 to power q into 3 to power 1 into 7 to power square. So this 1176 is equal to 2 to power x into 3 to power y and 7 to power z, which is equal to 2 to power q into 3 to power 1 and 7 to power 2. So now we can equivalent both of terms. So from here we can get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. This is the value we have to find, and this is the answer. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. Now guys, we are going to know about the numbers in a standard form. So how can we learn to form the standard form of any number? If suppose there is a very big number and you have to write, you have to study about this number, so how can you write this number in short form? Or you suppose the number is very a small number, so what is the standard form of that small number? So to learn about the standard form, so first we are going to explain about the standard form. What is the standard form of a number? So a standard form, any number is in the form of m into 10 to power n, where m is lies between 1 to 10. And n is either positive or negative number, that is called a standard form of any number. Suppose we are writing here a standard form. What is required here? What is required here? First requirement is the number should be in the form of m into 10 to power n, where m is another integer and n is also integer, and here n should be positive or negative, both can be remain. But m, what is the criteria of m? M always greater than or equal to 1, but it is less than 10. This is the second criteria. So first criteria is the standard form should be in the form of m into 10 to power n. And second criteria is m is greater than 1 or equal to 1 and less than 10 or equal to 10. And third is n either negative or positive integer. Suppose here is some example is given. Here is example. Suppose 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is given a number, and we have to form a standard form of this number. So we can write here as a 1.23 into 10 to power square. Why we are writing as a 1.23? Because as a criteria we have to form in this first criteria we have to fulfill, that is m into 10 to power n. So this number is in the form of 1.23 into 10 to power. Here is a m is 1. Here m is 1, and because m second criteria it is greater than 1, that is 1.23 is greater than 1, but it is less than 10. So it is in the form of a standard. So we can understand with the other example. Suppose here is a 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So how can we write in a standard form? So here from we can get 1 2 3 into, here is a 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 0, so we can write here 1 2 3 yani or 123 into 10 to power 5. But this is not in a standard form. For making the standard form, we have to convert 1.23 into 10 to power 5 into 10 to power square, and right standard form is 10 to power 7. So from here you can understand the thing correctly. We are giving more example regarding a standard form. So guys, we are looking here the some questions regarding a standard form, and in first questions here is given 0.000367 into 10 to power 4. So how we can make in a standard form? So first here we are looking, here is a very small number is given, so we have to write in a standard form. That's why 1 2 3 4 5 6 we can write here as a 367 into 10 to power 6 into 10 to power 4 is given. So when we solving this problem, 367 into 10 to power 4, and this goes to up numerator, so we can minus here as a power, and 367 into 10 to power minus 2 is from here. But this is not in a standard form, because here m is less than 367. Here is a big number, m should be greater than 1 and less than 10, but here is a 367, so we convert into less than 10 number, that is 3.67 into 10 to power minus 2 plus 2, and we can write here 3.67 into 10 to power 0, and 10 to power 0 is equal to 1, so we can write here 3.67 into 1, that is 3.67 is a standard value of this number. So in my next question, here is given 3 into 10 to power minus 3. So this number can be written as a 3, and because here is a negative integer, so we have to reciprocal of this number, so we can write here as a 10 to power q, and this number can be written as 3 by 10 into 10 into 10, and this number can be written as a 100. So 3 by 1000 is given number, and the standard form of, we have to divide from denominator to numerator, so we can write here as a 0.003. This is the standard form of this number. Moving towards the next questions, and in third questions is given 0.0000463. So we can write this number, because here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so we can write 463 and 1 into 10 to power 7. And when this number, when we are moving towards the denominator form, so we can write here 463 into 10 to power minus 7. पहले कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि कोई भी अगर डिनोमिनेटर में पावर है, अगर उसे न्यूमरेटर में ले जाते हैं तो वो पावर जो है ऊपर जाकर के नेगेटिव फॉर्म हो जाता है. That's why we have written in next step, that is 463 into 10 to power minus 7. And we have to convert 463 into the standard form, so we can write here as a 4.63 into 10 to power square into 10 to power minus 7. ऐसा हम लोग इसलिए किए क्योंकि हम लोग दो डिजिट आगे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर पॉइंट डेसिमल दिया है, तो इसके लिए जब दो पॉइंट के बाद डेसिमल देते हैं तो विच इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 100, दैट इज 10 to power square. So we have wrote here 4.63 into 10 to power square, and already 10 to power minus 7 is given. And lastly we can solve from here 4.63 into 10 to power minus 5. Why we are writing here as a minus 5? Because 10 to power 2 into 10 to power minus 7. When we solve this, we can get here that is 10 to power minus 5. Why? because the base is same, 10 is same and power is different, so it should be added together to 2 plus minus 7, and from here 10 and 2 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 5. So this is equal to the value of 10 to power minus 5. So from you can get easily from here, and the standard form of this question is 4.63 into 10 to power minus 5. Guys, I think you have already understood the thing whatever I taught in this video, and I requesting all of you, please subscribe my channel because we are giving new videos daily, and for new videos आपको सब्सक्राइब करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, और नए नए वीडियो देखने के लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. So my request, please subscribe my channel, do comment, share and like also. Thank you.